How to recover deleted videos from Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can recover your deleted videos on your Android smartphone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have happened to accidentally delete a specific video or sometimes even picture in this case, and you want to restore that. Well, there are a couple of ways to get around this, so you want to make sure to stick with me till the end. The very first thing is that if your phone supports a recycle bin or a trash folder, whenever you delete something, you can always try to locate the trash folder and then restore those videos. So in my case, let's say I happen to delete it from my gallery application on my Samsung phone. Let's say I just delete these photo right over here, so not necessarily videos but any photos as well. I'll just click on the delete button over here and I'll tap and move to recycle bin. Now my gallery app does support a recycle bin feature. That is why even after I delete it from my main gallery feed, I'll be able to restore it within 30 days period of time. And in order to do that, I'd have to go to the three lines from the bottom right corner. Then I would need to go to recycle bin. Here you'd be able to find the photo or the video we just deleted. You have two options. One is either to restore or recover them, or you can permanently delete them even from your trash. And since in this case we're learning to restore it, we can just tap on the restore button. Now remember that this feature only works as long as your gallery app supports a trash feature, which means a recycle bin feature. Sometimes you might have also happened to delete it from the My Files application. So if you deleted it from My Files, your My Files application also has a separate recycle bin folder, as you could clearly see at the bottom as well. Now if you're lucky and if you happen to back up all of your Google Photos and everything to your Google Drive storage, then in that case as well you can restore it. So this time you want to make sure that you download the Google Photos application. Once you download the Google Photos app, go ahead and launch the Google Photos app and then see if you've turned on backup. If you had turned on backup previously, all of your photos were backed up to Google Drive, which means after they were backed up to Google Drive, even if you deleted it from your main gallery feed, they would be actually backed up to your cloud, which means you can always go ahead and restore them. In this section, all the photos, videos and so on. And if there is a trash section in the Google Photos as well, you can locate it by going to library and going to the option called bin, and over here you'll find the option all of the photos and videos that you've deleted in the past. But keep in mind that if all of the videos has also been deleted from a recycle bin folder, then there is absolutely no way, any way that you can actually go ahead and then restore them. So you just have to keep those things in mind. So these were the three ways on how you can hopefully recover your deleted videos on your Android smartphone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.